Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. Guys, in this video I will tell you how to download and install iOS 18 beta in your iPhone. So what you need to do, first of all, open App Store, go to the search bar, and here you need to search Apple developer. Tap here, and here you need to download and install this application. After that, open it, and here you see the option account. Tap here. So guys, you need to sign in your Apple ID, and then go to home screen and restart your iPhone. After restarting it, go to the settings, scroll down, go to the general, and tap on software update. Guys, here you can see that automatic updates are turned off. You need to turn it on. Go back, and then you see the second option, beta updates. It is turned off. Tap on iOS 17 developer beta. After that, go back and refresh it. After that, you will get here iOS 18 developer beta and install it.